Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm at the farm. We're still working on this. We got to replace pretty much quite a bit of stuff up here. I will kind of go back this way and show you. We've got the new stuff sitting right here, actually. And that goes on the front of the truck. And then we're still working on the feed truck. We have, I think there was like 2 or 3 wires up here that's messed up from mice. Now, there's no telling how much damage that's actually from the mice up here that has caused all these wires to get chewed up. So if you live out in the country or on a farm or something, watch for mice. Put poison out. Make sure nothing else can get it except for mice. I mean, there's wires damaged right here, as you can tell. So yes, mice are bad. And then the motor. Don't it look good? Pretty soon, hopefully, in the next couple weeks, this truck will be up running and I'll be driving this one too. So yeah, we got a lot of things going on. And then we got some parts back here for the truck. And that stuff's for the truck too. And then I gotta get ready to weed eat around all the poles. And we got the weed eater and the green one. And I will have to have this on and this. My little orange vest, so people can see me in case I pass out or something. You never know. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching.